All right, so let's go. I was just saying today we have VFF that's only in the focuses because it's gapping up. LAR looking very, very good. As you can see, it's starting to break out right now. FSLR, same thing. It's a slower start though, so I'd focus on LAR. CTMX also looking very good. And then OVID actually looks even better. It is gapping up. Market just opened. So let's see what we have. FSLR, send out a post right now. All right. So OVID actually looks pretty good. VFF, LER. Important thing to do right now is to, FSLR might be reversing. Let's put it higher up here. All right, so good thing to do right now. I said that multiple times, but prepare your risk management calculator. So right now, for example, 398 would be confirmation. You can put that in actually already. Same thing for I mean, this is too tight, but Ovid, you can put the low of today right now, 169. So that way, if we do enter, you're ready right away. Just goes faster, and you're already prepared. You don't have to prepare yourself as the stock is going up and it's confirming, because you're already there. Can save you a couple of seconds, a couple of critical seconds when the market is actually, when the stock is actually going up pretty fast if it has a lot of momentum. And basically, we have like 5 minutes to do that. Make sure what we are focusing on. This, well, my Wi-Fi this morning is pretty crazy. This, yeah, broke out yesterday, so not interested in it. Wolf, don't like the higher highs. I could say it is breaking out right now, but I guess this here would have been the entry on December 9th. What's with the rest? You know, a lot of red, except gold. Gold's actually pretty crazy right now. Yeah. So LER, wow. Look at this. So 549 for the stop loss. 567 here. Oh. Just reversed pretty fast. VFF, what was this? 387. There's no volume on Ovid. Very good volume on VFF. Oh, good volume on LAR. But I mean, it's not going the right way right now. We'll see. Ovid reversed as well. Maybe we don't have much for today. Guess this is starting to set up KSS. Maybe this. I guess it can make sense. I feel like it needs some time though. I need a bit of time. VFF, not sure if I'm interested into it, even if it does confirm. I'll put an alert just in case, but LAR would be better, a lot better. the stop width. Oh, that would be so good. Would have crazy size into that. Oh, earnings are not. I mean, previous earnings are not good. Oh, okay. VFF just confirm. Technically, it is 5-minute confirmation as well. Yeah. I guess if you guys wanna, if you guys really want to get into that, what would the size be? That would be pretty good size, to be honest. Personally, not sure about it, so I'll skip this. When you're not sure about something, just skip it, right? It can, I mean, it can totally go up, and you'd be out of it. But I mean, there always would be more setups. I mean, I don't really know or understand why people care about so much. If like a setup that day skip is going up, right? Like, of course, you could have took it, but you didn't, and you had your reasons. So, I mean, you should be proud that you just followed your rules. Don't be sad about missing a setup. There will always be more setups. So this one I'll skip it, but technically it fits our criteria for an entry. If you really want to get into it, I guess Wolf. If you really wanted to, I guess no. Entry was right here. No reason to. Today would be a chase. LAR, yeah, I would enter if it confirms. It's a much better looking stock, stronger stock, and it's actually in a better sector. Like this one, kind of right now the market is kind of unsure. It is a strong stock for sure. I mean, recently, if you zoom out, it's not that strong. If my PC just wants to. All right. So if you zoom out, no, it's not that strong. But recently it is. But the sector is just random, right? It's basically it's not a strong sector. The market is kind of weak. Rather than the LAR is a very, very strong sector, and actually might be it is confirming right now. So LAR, I'm taking it. Did it confirm? No, it just touched it. But if it does, like just cross it right now, I'm taking a quarter of this, like the second it goes. But yeah, I was saying it is a much stronger sector, and it is one of the leaders within that leading sector. So that's why. I guess maybe it's not confirming right now. All right, well, we'll see. Almost bought off of this, but it did not cross. It just bounced off of its highs. But yeah, if it does confirm and take above first 5-minute candle high, I would enter this. I mean, look at how gold is performing. It's not gold stock, but it's in the same sector. It's minerals. Gold's up a lot today. IAG, another gold stock. This one I think is lithium. Yeah, lithium. What a fast reversal on this. Maybe it goes right now. Volume is actually pretty good. There's not a lot of other things. Just kind of everything is reversing. Looks like FSLR will put an alert at the high of the day, 273.80. Just in case it might want to go later. I guess this too, but there's just no volume, so we'll see. If you guys took that yesterday, it's going pretty well today. We talked a lot about that in yesterday's meeting, but a lot of these previous momentum names like QBTS, RR, CLSK, Rocket Lab, ASTS, BE, a lot of these names and many others are actually starting to gain momentum again. This one, huge pullback, almost 60% pullback. And then actually, it is the ones that's holding up the best in the quantum computing sector. And since lows, it made 55, almost 56% move. It's under its 50 SMA currently, building another range. RR pretty much exactly the same. This one is right at its 50 SMA right now. CLSK right, pretty much the same thing, building another range just under its 50 SMA after a good, big pullback, good run, and then now it's building another range. Rocket Lab is actually this one, just went right past its 50 SMA. So this one is even stronger. It's not in the same sector though, so it's clearly leader in its aerospace and defense sector. ASTS, I think this one is like communication. Yeah, communication sector, pretty similar to Rocket Lab, if we're being honest. And then BE is energy. Yeah. This one actually held up better, but it's still under 50 SMA. So if it just wants to go, that could be pretty good. It's making good higher lows right here. I guess this could be a range. But a lot of these names are looking very, very good, I would say. But for today, not a lot we can do. VFF, it confirmed, and now good thing we didn't enter it because it just, I don't know. It's like a cent above stop loss, where stop loss would have been. LAR, what's with LAR? Yeah, no action today at all. LAR just went right at its first 500 candle high. I almost entered it, but I did see it did not cross it, so I skipped it, and it would have stopped us out on this candle right here. I guess this is trading very choppy. Yeah, if it just confirms, I'd be into it, but I still have my alert just in case it want to go. The size actually would be pretty good for such low risk. Ovid, just nothing. FSLR, nothing. Right back into its range, so it's not bad. CTMX, not much. There's no volume pretty much anywhere in the market right now. VFF has good volume, but it's been gapping up and now it's selling off. We had wolf, but I guess the entry would have been here. Better entry was right here. One of these 2 days, right? Today is just kind of a chase. This entry was yesterday. I skipped it. Don't exactly remember why. I think it was just the range that I did not like much. And again, there always will be more setups, so I don't really care about skipping things in these market conditions when things are starting to look sort of good again. We're not sure what's headed exactly. There's kind of still pretty choppy in the market, so not forcing anything. I was just talking about these stocks, how they are all starting to look pretty good, gaining some momentum again. So if we're lucky, we can have a good streak to end the year, if not to start next year. RWM made a new all-time high again today, took above yesterday's high. I saw Tillery this morning. Yeah, Tillery this morning on some is it something with Trump? Yeah, weed. Something about weed. Tesla actually kind of broke out today of the hourly chart. I guess there's not a lot today. It's been like that pretty much all week. I feel like Rivian. Yeah, I skimmed past it, but 14%. Yeah, pretty crazy. There's not really a range though. Just what's this right here? Yeah. Why exactly is it up? Yeah, there's no reason to enter, but it's getting momentum for sure. Here looked pretty good. Good. How much was this? 35% run in like 4 trading days, and then after bounce on its 50 SMA, 30% run. Yeah, it looks pretty good for a longer term play. Very, very strong higher lows right here. Yeah, very, very good actually. I'd say if it gains momentum and it sets up short term, builds on a range, maybe up, somewhere around here, maybe a bit higher. That could be a good play for the future if we want to trade that. Yeah, I saw that indexes are reversing right now, and IWM as well, just a bit. QQQ back under its 10 SMA QQQ, kind of crazy. I did not see that yesterday. Yeah, basically didn't do much this week. I feel like, but again, we didn't have any we didn't have a lot of opportunities. I feel like about to go LAR. Yeah, I guess it's about to go. But look at the volume. I mean, volume looks pretty high compared to the last previous days, but all the last previous days just were under the average. Honestly, I don't know if I want to enter this. It's just been so choppy. It's been reversing so much today. Kind of feel like I'm not sure, and just because of the market right now, probably best to just skip it. And I mean, if it goes, fine, and if it reverses, fine as well. Like we just basically don't want to force anything. right? It's a very good setup. It's a strong stock in a strong sector. Don't get me wrong, but it's just been acting pretty weird today, and with the markets just been choppy. The stock has been very choppy today. But yeah, I guess this is probably the best option you have for today. The best setup you have for today. So if you guys really want to enter something, LAR is the best option you guys have, in my opinion. But yeah, it is pretty choppy. Well, yeah. Look at Wolf was going, and then reversal. Pretty much, basically everything in the market just kind of was going down today, except gold. Gold's very good today. Yeah, gold is pretty crazy, I would say. Wow. Wish I was into that, but unfortunately I skipped it. We'll get the next move though. Like I said, there'll always be better moves. Well, maybe not better moves, but there always will be more moves, more setups, more stocks, more entries. Praxis and just not moving, basically. VFF back at almost highs. ADR kind of reversing. I don't know what's up with my Wi-Fi. Yeah, pretty sure I had a trend line here. Did we even take trades this week? Yeah, CIFR, and that's it. Only CIFR. Yeah, there's not a lot we can look for today. That's pretty I mean, not unfortunate, but just I guess pretty boring again. It's a part of the process though. I'll update the watch list as well. Um tomorrow, yeah, we're Saturday. So I'll update the watch list, maybe remove some stocks that are falling today. Um add some more stocks or setups that are starting to look pretty good, starting to gain some strength. Kind of did that yesterday, but things can change pretty fast in this market. I guess that will be it for today, guys. If you don't have any more questions or setups you might be looking at, again, I skipped everything. VFF, yeah, I skipped VFF, I skipped LAR, both confirmed and reversed, and then reconfirmed. So that tells you how this market is heading into today, or maybe not this market, but these names actually. Market has just been down a bit. Now it's back up a bit, but yeah. I guess unless you guys have any more questions, setups, or whatever it is, I'll just hop off for today and I'll post the stream. I'll still post the stream even if we didn't do anything because we talked about some things. So for people that want to go over what we discussed and maybe study, take some notes, can be a good thing. And yeah, my God, my Wi-Fi is pretty crazy today. All right, so everyone's good. Wishing you guys a happy Friday. And then, I mean, we'll discuss today in the Discord, obviously. So I'll see you guys in the Discord.